Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT COVID registration by using Raspberry Pi 3. So here the main purpose of the project is whenever the person those who want to register for COVID testing, so then he need to show the RFID, show the Aadhaar card in front of this Pi camera. So in real time, one person was dedicated to enroll the details from the Aadhaar card. So now this system will enroll the details automatically by capturing the image of the Aadhaar and extracting the Aadhaar card number, date of birth and name that will be stored in a cloud. So that can be accessed from the cloud. So in this manner. So like here we have interfaced the Pi camera to the Raspberry Pi 3 B+ module and IR sensor to the Raspberry Pi 3. So whenever we show the Aadhaar card, so then that will be identified by this IR sensor, and then and there the Raspberry Pi will capture the image from this Pi camera and it will process that with Tesseract OCR, and there we are going to analyze that, and that will be displayed on this 20:4 LCD screen, and also uploading the same data into the cloud with help of inbuilt Wi-Fi. And also we are going to announcing the details through the like speakers by using the eSpeak module. So before switching on the kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project 4930 and password 123456789. So after enabling the hotspots, we need to install the network analyzer application. So this is the network analyzer application, right? So install this application. This is the icon of the application. Install the application and stay on the screen to get the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. Now give the power supply to the system. So once we provide the power supply, then the system will be connected to the So system will be connected to the IoT Wi-Fi hotspots, and then let me set the IR sensor.
Project IoT COVID registration.
So the anti-clockwise rotation of this IR sensor will decrease the distance, clockwise is increase the distance. Okay, and next, to get the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, then go to do land scan here. So there we get the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. Note on the IP address and go to the cloud. Nothing but website. There enter the same IP address along with colon 5000. So right. So as of now, when we start the kit, the previous data will be erased for the demonstration purpose. We are maintaining that, and now there is no details entered. So right. So whenever we show the Aadhaar card, so for like personal reasons, we are hiding the Aadhaar card number, but it will display the name. So we are showing this Aadhaar card in front of the camera. So once we came near to the IR sensor, that will be informed to the Raspberry Pi, and on the LCD display it will show the scanning. After around 5 to 6 seconds, the data will be extracted.
Manish Harsha Martin LR 00313 12 2000.
So date of birth also will be displayed.
9510 5700.
Right. So the Aadhaar card number will be announced.
122.
Okay.
With 9151 6200
we got the data.
6654 4104. COVID registration completed. Thank you. Please go to
we got the details also here. Right. So like that, it will announce that your COVID registration completed. You can go with the sample given. So like that, we can show the Aadhaar cards directly, and that will be extracted the details from the image captured by the Raspberry Pi. Thank you.